what's it putting out roughly?
It depends on the dyno. I think a Mustang it's about 740, and the dyno jet is closer to 800.
Wow.
Wheel, yeah.
Wow, a lot of power.
Yeah, it's fun. It's never enough power though.
Never enough.
Yeah, so Mastertuned did the build. These guys right here. Craig at Mastertuned is
oh, way down there.
Way down there, buddy. Get it? Yep. There you go. These guys did the build, so it's hybrid turbos, an FBO fuel, and a stage 2 tranny.
Okay.
And I couldn't be happier.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Clean, eh? Clean.
It's clean, yeah.